Hi guys! Today, we're making a bow that looks amazing and doesn't need any stitching. Let's start. For this design, we're using sequins fabric. Now fold the bottom part toward the center and do the same with the top. We will fold it in half to find the center. Now gather the fabric at the center to give our bow its beautiful shape. I will be using a cotton thread to secure the shape, but you can also try a ribbon or a yarn or any material that you have. And we have a piece of fabric for the centerpiece. We will now attach the hair clip. It's finished! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and check out my other tutorials for more ideas. See you next time!
So join